Yo, what's good, y'all? So today I have a package here. As y'all can see, we have some more bike parts on here ready to go. We're about to unbox it today so I can show you exactly what we got. I ain't wearing the helmet. It's hot as absolute hell in the apartment and outside, so I'm like, fuck that. But let's get into it. A hell of bubble wrapping up in there. Excuse me. Golly. The allergies are terrible. So here we go. Ooh. Ooh, yeah, that's satisfying. Like that. And here is what we seek. So my bike has had freaking leakage problems for a while now, and this should right here fix it. See, like I was saying, this has been on the way for a while now because my freaking bike has cracked oil pan. So, with that being said, y'all, get first little look right there. We have got, ooh, smells like straight freaking motor oil. Yeah. We have got everything we need right here. Whole new oil pan. Thank God. I can show y'all mine real quick. The one we have currently, but I'm not gonna be doing the work until tomorrow, so stay tuned for that. I'm gonna make a video about that, obviously, but this is the freaking oil pan and all the freaking parts and stuff we need. Let's look at the old one real quick so y'all can see what that looks like. Alright, y'all, this is it. This is the spot of doom. My bike has obviously been leaking for a while now, but here she is, my beautiful baby. I'm about to show y'all exactly what is going on down here if I can get a good angle. Yes, it got cracked down there. Honestly, no idea how, but that's the JV weld we put on it to hold it for right now, so it doesn't leak completely everywhere. It's just a nice bike though. We just put this on there real quick recently. New exhaust, some Insta360 mounts, some new brakes. So yeah, we're doing a lot. The chain's coming soon too, so we're gonna have the chain. So stay tuned for the chain as well, because that's gonna be here soon. But yeah, stay tuned, y'all. Coming tomorrow. Tomorrow afternoon / evening, I'm gonna do the work. So I'm supposed to live stream it on TikTok. So I'm gonna live stream that on TikTok. So if y'all want to join that, go to my TikTok in my bio. We're gonna get lit working on these parts.